I'm Rose Oatley, and today we're making Taco Casserole. It's like a taco, but less messy. Let's get started. Chop and dice half an onion, 2 garlic cloves, cilantro, and 2 Roma tomatoes. Now spray a casserole dish with Pam. Add oil to a large pan. You're going to need a total of 8 corn tortillas. We're going to be frying these. Place each one in the oil for a few seconds, then flip over. You want to fry them until they're slightly hard, but not too hard. Then you want to place them on your baking dish. For your first layer, you're going to add a total of 4 corn tortillas. To your large pan, you want to add 2 pounds of ground beef. You want to break it up, and I love using this tool here. If you don't have one, it's fairly reasonable. I'll post the link in my description section. As you're browning, add your onions and give it a good mix. If you end up with a lot of grease like this, make sure you drain it. Now that I've drained mine, I'm ready for my seasoning, and I'm adding salt and pepper to taste. Add 1 package of McCormick Original Taco Seasoning. Add a 3/4 cup of water. Now turn your heat down to low, and you want to cook for 10 minutes. In the meantime, to a medium-sized pan, add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to be making some refried beans, and I've got the Rosarito brand. You can use whatever brand you like. I'm using my handheld can opener. I love this one because it fits in my drawer and it doesn't have to sit out on my counter. Mash your beans for a few minutes and cook until they're nice and soft. Add a layer of beans to your dish. Usually I only add half and then do the other half later, but today I'm just going to do 1 whole layer of beans. Spread your beans out all the way to the end. These will spread very easily. For your next layer, add a layer of beef. And by the way, if you love tacos, I've got some other taco recipes on my page, so be sure and check it out. For our next layer, we're going to add mild cheddar cheese. Now, I highly recommend that you buy your own block and you shred it yourself. I know it's kind of a pain sometimes, but if you buy the one in the bag, that one has a waxy film and it won't melt as nice. The only one I don't mind buying in a bag is this Quesadilla cheese. This one seems to melt pretty nicely. I'm going to add a layer of this as well. Next, you want to add your other 4 tortillas to make it 1 whole layer. I also want to take this time to invite you to my community section of my channel. I love posting messages for you, and you get to know me on a more personal level. If you save the other half of your beans, you would add them right after your tortillas and then your beef. Add another layer of cheddar cheese and quesadilla cheese. Place in your oven at 350 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes or until your cheese is nicely melted. Once done, we can start adding our toppings, and we're going to start with a layer of shredded lettuce. Now, I'm only going to be adding toppings to one side because if you're going to have leftovers or you've got kids that are not coming home until later, they can easily put it in the microwave if you don't want to put lettuce in the microwave. So this is why I'm only going to do half of it. Next topping will be our Roma tomatoes that we chopped up, cilantro, and you can add cilantro to both sides. Next, I'm adding some sliced black olives. Now, if there's any veggies that you don't like, you can definitely skip those. Make it to your liking. For a little crunch, I like to add these tortilla strips. Then I like to add a little bit of avocado cilantro dressing. This is so good, guys. You can buy it by the bottle. I'll show you the bottle in just a bit. Or you can even make your own, and you're in luck because I've got the perfect recipe on my channel. I'll post the link in my description section. I like to finish it off with a little pepper on top. Now, doesn't this look delicious? If you can, please be sure to give it a like, comment, let me know where you're watching from, and share with friends. If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos, and please be sure to check out these links on the side. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.